Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on the Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. Giveaways are really easy. Just make sure to watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you need to know, and make sure that you're subscribed. Also, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. You just have a couple more days for this. This is the Hip Dot C Note palette. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. As far as what I have on my eyes, it is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. And it's kind of a sneak peek as far as what we're giving away for our March eyeshadow palette giveaway. So this is the Macy's February box. It took a little longer to get here this month. I know that they had some kind of shipping delays out of California with this. It's $15 a month. It's mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while you will get a full size. There's usually some sort of makeup tool or makeup bag in there as well as you also get like either a $5 and every once in a while a $10 off coupon that you can use in the Macy's beauty department, either online or in their physical stores. So let's find out what's in here. So you do get a little pamphlet. It says it has $111 value. In this box, it's skin ingredients with smoothing serums and oils to exfoliating peels and moisturizing cream. This month's goodies are grounded in skin-loving ingredients with Mother Nature. It does come with this cute little makeup drawstring bag. It says Beauty Essentials on the bag itself. Cute. So they always come wrapped up in pink tissue paper. So the first item in here is from Sundari Chamomile Eye Oil. Never heard of an eye oil before. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. This is their best-selling blend of nourishing plant-based ingredients. If you see me looking down, it's because the iPad's down here. Smooth skin and improves its texture to combat the fine lines and wrinkles. Retails for $49. Key ingredients are jojoba oil, avocado oil, chamomile, and aloe vera. So this sounds kind of cool. Like I said, we're giving away one of the items in here. Don't know which one yet, but make sure you are staying tuned. Here's a product that I have used before. It is from Caudalie. It is their Vinoperfect Serum. And this lightweight wonder is great for all skin types. And loaded grapevine SAP is basically wine for your face. Plus those dark spots are noticed and key, and get ready for a brighter, more even skin tone. The full size is retail for $79, and key ingredients are olive, squalene, and vinoperfect. I love this, you guys. I really do like this. From LMS is a papaya enzyme peel. Use this one too. This is amazing. What beautiful fruit enzymes and makes your skin feel like you just got out of the spa. The gentle gem with nourishing milk protein, vitamin E and A, and marine algae for exfoliating without abrasion and mega hydration. Full size retails for $45. Key ingredients are papaya, pineapple, and bladderwrack. What is bladderwrack? Do you guys know what that is? Let me know in the comments down below. Sorry, I'm kind of like going faster through these than I normally do. My battery is getting very low. From First Aid Beauty is Ultra Repair Cream. Another great product. Troubled skin, help is on the way. The rich and fast absorbing moisturizer delivers immediate relief and long-term hydration for dry, distressed skin and enzyme, and also fights the visible signs of aging. Full size retails for $34. Key ingredients are colloidal oatmeal and shea butter. I love Paragon MD. So this is a hypoallergenic CBD sensitive skin therapy soothing and hydrating eye cream, which I'm kind of surprised they can ship here because I didn't think any CBD items could ship into Idaho. So this is formulated with CBD without 26 known allergens, fragrance, sulfates, silicones, and parabens, to name a few. This rich cream hydrates and smooths the most sensitive skin around your eyes. Full size retails for $72. Key ingredients are the 99% pure cannabis CBD, biobasil, and marigold extract. The last item is from Clean. It's a Calabium and Rain fragrance. In addition to the fresh botanical scent, dewy flower petals, and allure musks, this brand is all about eco-responsibility and reduced waste. A bonus reason to fall in love with clean fragrances. Full sizes retail for $44. Key notes: violet leaves, water lily, and water mint. So let's give it a little spray this way. I really like it. I almost get like a cucumber type smell though, which is kind of weird. It's okay. It's not my favorite because, like I said, I get that weird kind of cucumber scent to it. In my guest bedroom, so when I get little samples like this of fragrance, I put them in this cute little jar that I found at like the Dollar Tree. So, and I just set them in here, and then therefore whenever my guests come to visit and stay with us, they have something that they can try out. Not that we're having any guests right now, but hopefully in the future. So what do you guys think? I think there were some really cool things. I'm really interested in this oil, and the Paragon MD products are the ones that I'm most hyped about. What were your favorites? Let me know that in the comments down below. So let's give away that LMS. The papaya enzyme peel. Secret word is Macy's. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill that out. Make sure that you put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed. And then also put on it that secret word. Let's have this giveaway go through March 11th. Then on March 14th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner using that spin the wheel. You guys seem to really like that. I will go ahead and put those extra bonus entries in for you. You don't have to worry about that. And how you get extra bonus entries is if you share this video, because I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. And then if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty, AMA, and the letter B. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. Make sure that it is legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you because I love being a little ray of sunshine for you guys. If you haven't joined us here yet, I invite you to subscribe. We're such a fun group, no drama. Everybody's really supportive of one another. Make sure those notifications are turned on, and then also if you are watching this on a mobile device, make sure to go into the settings and make sure that they are turned on as well there, because you want to know when we upload, you want to know when we do giveaways. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.